Say good morning, Bubba. Banks, say good morning.
Morning.
You slept in your own bed last night?
Did you sleep in a Banks bed?
Wow, you're such a big boy.
One truck.
It's morning and oof, my Trigium is not happy with me. Oh my god. If anyone has any Trigium remedies, please send help because I have one and it's not going away. From surfing, if you guys don't know, or being in the saltwater in the ocean. Oh, we have switched up our coffee, you guys. We are not doing almond milk. We're taking a break from it. We have almonds, but we're not using it. Coffees with this now. It's the Laird and we're kind of obsessed right now. I guess you could say we make a bullet coffee, but I think mine is a little bit different, so I'm going to show you guys. Just pour a little bit of hemp milk just to warm it up. Like I was saying, we did change our coffee routine up. We have nothing against almond milk. I guess we just, I don't know. I honestly don't know how this happened. One day Jack was like, I'm gonna try this, and then I tried it, and then we haven't gone back. We still love our almond milk, and I'll probably make it again soon, but I don't know. It's sometimes just nice to like change up your coffee. Always make sure you drink water. Okay, now that we got our shot of espresso and water, I pour it in the blender. Then I put the hemp milk in. And you grab this. So this is all vegan and it's made out of coconut cream. I get a tablespoon of that. Pop that. Okay, the pour, you guys. Look at that foamy, frothy top. That stays there the whole time while you're drinking it. It's just really like buttery. Not that I put butter in it because that's what regular bullet coffees are. But it's just super smooth and buttery and like, I don't know, it's like a latte but like frothed up and mixed around, and I don't know, I like it. Anyways, that's our coffees. I don't even know if you guys care, but we're gonna enjoy these, and I think I'm gonna go pick some oranges and make Banks a smoothie. And then, I don't know, babe, are we gonna go take Banks to the beach? Yeah. I think we're gonna take Banks surfing. I just made Banks a little like breakfast kind of platter, I guess you could say.
Oh, look, peanut butter cashew.
Oh.
Peanut butter cashew.
Try it. Banks is definitely on the pickier side, so we've been having a little bit of a hard time finding things he likes, so yeah, that's about it. Oh look, it's Grandma Grandpoo, come on. My mom's here gardening.
Oranges!
Yay! Oranges! Oh, look at this big orange. How many? What should we get?
Ooh.
And how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oranges.
Good.
5 and 6.
All right.
Use some of this today.
He's got a blueberry.
Okay, what do we got in this smoothie, Baba? What's in it?
He's cold.
It's cold. So we have blueberries, spinach, 3 bananas, 3 dates. We have this smoothie booster that has B12 and omegas. It's like with flax seeds that we got from a vegan doctor. It's really good. And we got the orange juice and a quarter of...
Tasty.
Oh my god, is it so good? And some avocado. That is so good, Bubba. We are gonna go to the beach now. We're gonna take Banks down surfing or whatever he wants to do. I actually got him a mini little bodyboard, and yeah, we're gonna go play around. This surf is pretty much flat, so it's kind of perfect for him, and it's just a beautiful day, so we're gonna get to it. What do you think, babe? Is that view good enough?
You know,
It's okay.
A little bit more ocean would be good.
To the beach, and Banks kind of had a little melt because I got him these trunks, and he hates sunscreen. We just finished a surf/swim. Banks didn't really want to go surfing, but that's all good. He loved his little bodyboard. Now we're gonna go home and make some lunch. Just got back from the beach. That's so good. And I got Banks some toys on the way back because we have not gotten him toys in a long time. And he loves like counting and then I also got him these like cute crayons that he's drawn on. But yeah, we haven't been able to get him like new toys since we got back, and like I just felt like he was super due for some like new toys because he's just like, I don't know, so smart. I don't know where he gets it from.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.
That one looks like a 6.
7, 8.
Right behind you, Bubba. Right under your butt. Right here.
9, 10.
We are gonna make some food. We had some smoothie. Banks has some tofu, and he still has his smoothie, which stays cold in his Hydro Flask. I kind of sneak some. I actually made him this little quesadilla. It has hemp seeds, avocado, vegan cheese, and also some like. You want to try it? You want to have some lunch? And then I'm really craving like. We had stir fry last night, and I kind of want to remake it, but instead of using rice, I'm gonna make cauliflower rice. I love cauliflower rice. You can do so much to it, and I'm gonna add like protein and everything, but you have to blend it in a blender, or a food processor is definitely easier. I have a blender, so I'm gonna show you guys that way. First, I chop the cauliflower and put about half of it into a blender. I start on a really low speed, that way it can kind of get all of the cauliflower and then I turn it up just a little bit once everything kind of breaks down. I do that until I kind of get a rice texture. Went ahead and chopped a half onion and a bell pepper. This is what the cauliflower rice looks like when it's done. I also have some frozen peas and corn that I'm gonna add. First step is sauteing the onions. I'm just using water today and a little bit of Bragg's. Then I add some cumin, about a half a tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon of paprika. Then I add the bell pepper and really let that kind of all cook together, and I really mix it around, and I'll probably let that sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll go in and add the cauliflower rice and mix that in really well. And then after that I add the peas and corn, and then I also added some chickpeas for some extra protein, and that is pretty much it. I ended up adding a little bit more seasonings as needed, but it's super simple and really easy. Then I went to grill my tofu. I just cut it in little slivers and I cooked it in some olive oil, sprinkled some nutritional yeast and salt on it, let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side until they're a little bit golden brown on each side. Okay, that's the bowl. We got some pickled onions that Jack made right on top, and I'm gonna just pour a little dress. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Oh god, this is not. I just made a complete mess. But anyways, you guys get the picture. That is delicious. That was really good. It definitely probably would be better cooking it with oil, but I really like to stay like having light foods like for lunch, just in case I go surfing, because you're laying on your stomach, and if you have anything heavy, it's just not cool. But yeah. Whoa, that's really good.
Go, Banks! Go, go, go!
For dinner, I made another bowl of goodness. I made an avo pesto out of avocado, of course. I used 1 whole avo, 3 cloves of garlic, a whole bunch of basil. I used Bragg's. You can also use salt, but I did 2 tablespoons of Bragg's, about 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, a little dash of water to get things moving, a half a cup of mac nuts, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I just blended that together until it was nice and creamy. I used whole wheat noodles, but you can use whatever you desire. You can use the gluten-free lentil noodles, it's all good. Just know that the avocado pesto does turn a little bit brown within a few days just because there's avocado in it, so it's good to eat kind of within 2 days. What do you think, Bev?
You've knocked it out of the park once again, princess.
We also have some potato fries and some cauliflower, because I am obsessed with cauliflower, especially roasted. We got pesto pasta, cauliflower, some kale salad that I put some apple cider vinegar with. You could also do lemon. We got pickled onions that Jack made, tomatoes, and some and we got some fries.